The human nervous system. Billions of neurons throughout our body connect the brain with sensors and receptors. They're constantly gathering an extraordinary amount of information. It's an incredibly agile system that can respond in real time. What would it be like if we could do those same things with a human-made system? Meet Diana, Deutsche Bahn's diagnostics and analysis solution for railway condition monitoring and predictive maintenance. Diana's holistic approach revolutionizes the way infrastructure managers around the world monitor and maintain their railway ecosystem. Diana is our all-round solution, from sensors and IoT platform through to comprehensive consulting services. Using tailor-made sensors or measurement installations, Diana collects primary asset data in real time. Sensors are installed on rolling stock and infrastructure using a simple plug-and-play procedure. They then provide us with a permanent flow of information, not only from individual components but also concerning the entire infrastructure and the rolling stock. The IoT platform gathers, merges and analyzes data relating to all assets. The platform's algorithms, based on artificial intelligence and deep learning models, are then able to extract extremely precise insights about the system as a whole, in addition to individual components, and predict potential issues before they occur. Our consulting services cover issues such as digital transformation, change management, and user group training. Diana maximizes the lifespan of infrastructure and vehicle components. It ensures a higher service quality thanks to reduced failures. The resulting increased track availability means higher network capacity. It significantly improves the ability to schedule maintenance based on real-time data and provides a cost-effective solution for operators everywhere. One striking benefit we want to achieve is a reduction of up to 50% in disruptions that could have been diagnosed in advance. Diana, a holistic approach to the railway system of tomorrow.